I will upload videos until I become good at English. Sorry for not posting often. It's been a month since I arrived in Thailand. Since coming to Thailand, I've been hanging out with a few girls and I got a girlfriend. And I went to the Chinatown, Koreatown, and Chatuchak. I'm planning to go to Pattaya and Ayutthaya with my girlfriend, but I haven't been feeling well for past 3 days. Also, since I had no motivation to study English, I thought I would try studying through this communication. By the way, I used to be a mukbang influencer, but I changed it to workout account. If you're interested, please follow me. Thank you for listening. See you.